welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, third time lucky for this introduction. Fingers crossed it works this time. Right, so this video is part of lovely Lula's 13 Days of Halloween. Lula is Nerd Goblin Art. There will be a playlist linked below for the collaboration and Lula. She's amazing, as is everyone else who's taking part in this collaboration. So the aim is to do 13 videos across 13-day period. Doesn't have to be resin. In fact, keep watching my videos. This might be it, this might be not. I'm lazy, so just a bit of a preface. This is the same introduction that's going to be for every single video, so I'm going to keep it short, or try to. 11 of the videos are resin, one's eco-pour, and one's painting. I don't know which videos today, you'll just have to wait and see. Right, so as I said, 13 Days of Halloween, playlist linked below. This video, again, because I'm lazy, is video number, Chris to insert the number about here. Right, and I will get straight into the videos. Hope you enjoy. Hello! Right, today's project is finally my eco-pour project. I say finally because I think I'm doing this on Saturday. It is Saturday today, isn't it? Yeah. Doing this on Saturday, so today's was the 4th Halloween video that went out. So yeah, don't know when this one's going out, but you know when I'm doing it, that's that. Right, so eco-pour. I am using this, which was from Temu. I have used it before and it worked pretty well. So fingers crossed that this will too. I'll show you the mould in a moment because I've noticed you've not seen what it is, unless, I don't know if Chris will have put in the thumbnail, so you may or may not know what's coming. Right, so this one is scaring the bejesus out of me because just how big the mould is. No, in fact I'll show it. It's a potion bottle. Yay. Right, I was just talking to Jules briefly on Discord like you do, and yeah, I didn't know how much it was. I must have been staring at the mould for a good 10 minutes trying to figure out how much should I make up for this, because I was utterly clueless. So I've decided, I decided to measure it, and it came to about 330 mils of water. 300, yeah. So it has a volume of 330 mils. Using an online calculator, I worked out, I don't know if this is going to work or not. It will be what it, ooh, things are falling in the back. Right, it will be what it is. So, according to the calculator, I need just short of 500 grams of powder and 150 of water. I rounded it up just slightly. So what I'm going to do is mix this stuff up like you do, and then, because this does go off pretty quick and I'm panicking with the sheer amount I'm mixing up, because why split it up when you can do it in one go, I am enlisting the help of...
I've been drafted.
He's been drafted, Mr. Ratty, Chris. So what I'm going to do is I'm mixing this up. I can talk whilst I'm doing it, but I'm not. I'm going to get Chris to play his music because I quite like his music. So yeah, I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to split it in half into 2 cups. And one of us will be mixing the orange and one will be mixing the purple or violet. And then when it comes to pouring it, I've not decided yet. You'll see. I'm probably just going to shove it in and see what happens, because that's how I like doing stuff like this. So I've never used acrylic inks before. I have used paint. I am expecting these to fade slightly because obviously the powder's white. I do have some actual eco colours. I got them from Temu, and I can only find this one, which is green, so I still need to try that. I've not tried that yet. Right, so I will pause the camera. Well, yeah, I'll pause the camera to make Chris's job easier with the editing. I'll reload it, and then you'll be listening to Chris's music whilst watching me mix, and he may even cut some out whilst I do the mixing and pouring. Right, so unless something goes wrong, I will be back talking for the demold. Right, catch you in a few.
The crafty rats, they skitter fast through shadows long, through spells they cast, mixing potions, bubbling bright, a funny smell, a witch's delight. She hides them high, she hides them low, a secret shelf where magic flows. No elf on the shelf, no eyes to pry. She stores her spells where dreams go to die. Cackle and stir, a haunted spree. The crafty rats brew mischief with glee. The rats, they dance, they plan attack. A pinch of dust, a spider's thread. One sip of this, you'll wake the dead. Round and round they spin their tale. A rat's enchantment will never fail. Whispered curses fill the air. Careful now, beware. Beware. An elf on the shelf, no eyes to pry. She stores her spells where dreams go to die. Cackle and stir, a haunting spree. The crafty rats brew mischief with glee.
Right, so the back looks good. Got a feeling with the way I poured it, the front may not be as I wanted it. However, it is what it is. So yeah, it's still a little, never had this before. It's been overnight. Yeah, I don't know if I used a bit too much paint, so we'll see anyway. So let's get this out. Now, my craft room is absolutely freezing. When I say freezing, I mean freezing. We don't have central heating, and those in the UK know it's blooming cold at the moment. So I did leave this a while. I probably should have put it on my heat mat, but I didn't. So I'm just trying to be really careful because I know the shelves are a bit thin, so you don't want to break it. Oh, right. Let's make sure this is in camera. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. So I do think it needs to dry up a little bit more. But dry up a lot more. Gee whiz. Yeah. Might put a little bit too much ink in that. However, I love the feel of this. I've got some little mini hello, focus. Micro bubbles, but they are miniature. So yeah, it's poured pretty well. So yeah, if you saw the pouring and it abruptly cuts off, yeah, my phone memory filled up. Ugh. Yeah, my phone memory filled up, and yeah, so you missed the end of the pour. But I quite like this. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I do wish it had looked a bit more like the back, but you know, I'm not too bothered. I do like the colours individually. I think they're probably a bit pale. I'm being very critical. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. I like this. I do like this. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll figure something out. In fact, I might try and dig out a load of more. Why is it I don't have anything near me when I want it? I've got some of them mini skulls. Every time I have any left over, I usually pour some. I've not done it in a while, but which is a bit bizarre because this is the Halloween 13 days. Yeah. Anyway, I've not done it in a while, but I've got loads of little skulls, so I might put them in there. I've also got a mould. Might start pouring some of them and maybe put them in there. They won't be done for this video going live, but it's a decoration that's going in my house, so I will upload any additional photos. So please let me know what you think. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you've got any ideas to why, if you do think it is the sheer amount of paint I put in, please let me know, because I'd be happy to actually understand why it's done that. So I'm going to let this, probably actually put it on my heat mat, because as I say, my craft room, when I say it's freezing, I actually mean it's freezing. So I'm going to put this on my heat mat, let it dry out a little bit more, and yeah, I will get Chris to take some photographs. I'll see if I can get some skulls just to make it look, or something Halloweeny, just to make it look a bit pretty. Ooh, hang on. Sorry, I'm easily amused. Right, please like and comment below. That would be much appreciated. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. That means a lot to me. I do have in the description below a link to a lot of the products that I normally use. Might not necessarily be what's in this video, because a lot of the stuff is from Temu. So yeah, Temu, or with the acrylics, the works, or what have you. And there's also some discount codes if you want to save some money. That's brilliant. There is also links for Buy Me a Coffee and also my Amazon wish list if you wish to help out in that way. Right, so really appreciate you watching. I do actually like this. I know I sounded a bit meh, but I do actually like this. Probably do it different next time, but for first attempt of pouring this mould, and I've not had much experience with eco pours, or at least on camera. I think I've done all right. Okay, so I will catch you for the next video. Bye guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she